Fortnite gets gyro controls and flick stick on PS4, PS5, and PC. Flick stick. No, you're not. Will's not going to fill me in on this one. I got to read the top paragraph.
What is this?
Epic Games is bringing gyro-based motion controls for Fortnite to the PS4, PS5, and PC. Gyro controls existed on Nintendo Switch and Android previously, and this new expansion for PlayStation and PC includes more robust. It looks like, why is Xbox left out on that? That's everything but Xbox at that point. Gyro controls allow you to control the camera in Fortnite by simply turning your controller. So it's like when you're playing a racing game and you're just kind of...
Oh, cool. So you can just do like that?
Yeah, so on a smartphone, it makes a lot of sense, right? That means you can couple gyro controls with traditional stick aiming to improve precision and movement throughout Fortnite. Epic Games has also worked with Flick Stick creator Julian Gibbs Smart to add more gyro controls and the Flick Stick option that will quickly flick the camera to a certain direction.
That is very cool.
With mouse-like speed.
For aiming, particularly.
Yeah, well, it's one more axis.
Because you can fine-tune it.
Yeah, it's very fine-tuned. Very fine-tuned.
I like this it would get annoying
demo here.
It's like it seems like it's more immersive.
Let's go.
It's more immersive that way. I was gonna say immersion, but then that didn't make sense.
This is good gameplay too.
It is very cool.
Yeah.
Immersive. You gotta have that Budweiser, Will. That'll fix you up.
Yeah, that'll loosen me out.
Wait, Nintendo has this already?
Yeah. On the Switch.
I better try it out.
You would want this on the Switch.
It's on the Steam Deck too.
On the Steam Deck. I've only ever really used it on a phone before, but it's definitely cool.
Yeah.
Fortnite keeps going, man. Fortnite keeps kicking. You can't get rid of Fortnite. Fortnite is an entire operating system, just like COD.
I like to see how the pros would use it.
Once something lasts for a certain amount of time, it breaks a certain threshold.
It just lives.
Man, yes, you're right. It's a self-sustaining entity at that point. Yeah. It keeps feeding itself.